So today we start to work on the Royal Star. The first thing we're gonna do, removing the passing light and the headlights so we can get the whole wiring free. Then we're gonna remove this bracket over here and we go for the razors. Then I'm gonna drill the new handlebar so we can start wiring. So yeah, let's get started. Now, if you're not sure about something, especially when it comes to wiring, pick up your phone and take a picture of it. Pretty much all the plugs are unique, so you can't go wrong with them. I just got the headlight out. Here it is. Now we continue with the passing lights and then with that bracket over here. Once you lose the bolt, it should be very easy to come out. I did it. I just wanted to show you. So I'm gonna do the other side as well. All right, so I took this off and I just sold that. Back in the days, I did paint this matte black. What a stupid idea. So now I'm thinking I'm gonna restore the shine of the chrome. It's not even a chrome, it's aluminum. So I'm gonna just focus on the outside. One thing you gotta remember is that those screws that goes all the way in and the bolts that holds the razor are usually very rusty. So you need to be very careful when unscrewing. If you feel that it's very tight and it doesn't unscrew well, you better spray it up with WD-40 or any spray that can lose the rust. It's important so you can remove it without any issues. It's time to remove that. Look how thick and rusty that is. As you can see, we got the underneath of the razor, but if it goes here, it's not gonna fit in. So probably we're gonna need to add a washer here just so we can make sure that this will stay nice and tight. I've done a big mistake and I will tell you why. I'm a perfectionist and I like everything to be perfect, and that's a big problem because eventually people like me start making things complicated more than they are. And my project was supposed just to change a couple of things, but I ended up stripping everything apart at the front and the tank and everything. I don't know, you can see the light is limited here. Those are for my clutch and my brake. They're actually very easy to remove. The clutch is just right here behind the plastic neck. Very easy to remove. So now what you're gonna see on the time lapse, I'm just gonna get my polish machine and my polish pad, and I'm gonna polish this part right here. And hopefully tomorrow I'm gonna start measuring where I'm gonna drill the handlebar, because as you can see, I got all the wirings here. There is a lot to be done. So yeah, let's get to the polishing process. Right, so just before I continue, I just want to show you the result, the first hand result. Look how shiny that becomes. So after another 30 minutes of polishing, this is the second hand that we got, and it's just about right, but there is a small spots where I'm not pretty satisfied. So anyway, I'm just not gonna get too much into a detail, but I'm just gonna get to the final polish and then protection. So let's go. There is something else. Looks good. Now what I'm gonna do, there's a great product, Car Plant Chrome Trim Polish. You don't want to go to the tight spots because once it's dry, it's gonna be very hard to clean. You don't need a lot from this product. You just wanna spread it around So there you go. This is protection. We're gonna leave this for about 5-6 minutes, probably 10, because it's not very hot. It's not very warm in the garage. It's beginning of March anyway. And what this liquid does, it's protecting the chrome or the aluminum from rain. So or if you go wash your bike, the water will just fall off. It's not gonna stay on it, which is a good thing, because we all know how much headache is polishing the chrome, and then you go out on the first ride and it's raining. I did pretty good damn job. I'm very happy with it. So now I'm gonna start mounting the razors. It's looking nice. One thing that I love about making my bike apart, refresh and bring it back together, is the process when I'm starting to bring things back together. As this part here that I polished, it's looking like a brand new. I just have so much footage that I didn't upload that I'm just gonna upload this episode and then gonna start working on the other things. So thank you for watching. Subscribe if you're interested. Leave me a comment below if you have a Royal Star, if you face any of that problems that I did. Just leave me a comment with your experience. I will be glad to read it. So yeah, see you next time.